In the 1970s, unchecked development and limestone quarrying had virtually destroyed the hill station of Mussoorie. Come to fast forward, and today the hills of Mussoorie are green again thanks to the efforts of the Eco Task Force or the Green Warriors. Watch this special report that we bring to you as part of the NDTV Toyota Keep the Hills Alive campaign.
Infantry Battalion of the Eco Task Force, set up with retired ex-servicemen between the age group of 25 to 30, gave up the guns for the spade and set about the task of greening the hills again. The first Eco Task camp set up base in Mussoorie in the early 1980s. Slowly but surely, these soldiers marched on, planting and tending to saplings which over the years have brought back Mussoorie's lost glory. Something that the town mayor is thankful for.
आप अगर सच पूछें तो मेरे पास कोई शब्द नहीं है उनको आभार और धन्यवाद प्रकट करने के। जिस उसमें उन्होंने यहाँ मसूरी में काम किया है, उन्होंने बहुत मसूरी के लिए किया। और हम चाहते हैं मसूरी, मैं अध्यक्ष नगर पालिका और मेरी समस्त लोग यहाँ, मेरा सदन भी चाहेगा कि इको टास्क फोर्स मसूरी में जिस तरीके से उन्होंने काम किया है उनको यहाँ रहना चाहिए। आगे यहाँ पर मैं तो समझता हूँ कि परमानेंट ही उनको यहाँ पर रहना चाहिए।
But this mission did not go unnoticed by the local residents who come out in praise and gratitude for what the Green Warriors have done for their queen.
The Eco Task Force has rendered an invaluable service to the cause of greening Mussoorie.
Mussoorie and Mussoorie's hills were basically barren, which were ruined over the years due to mining and deforestation and stuff like that. Thankfully for Mussoorie and for the entire area around, Eco Task Force came into being. And in the last 20-25 years, they've really done a commendable job. They've greened Mussoorie like never before.
30 years later, and the Eco Task Force marches on, reforesting the denuded hills which surround Mussoorie. From Mussoorie, Tanya Sally Bakshi, NDTV.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app, fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view, faster response time, and Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.